Danny, what do Yetis eat?
Snowflakes.
Who are you? Are you a Yeti?
Yeah.
You can put your hands down now. Nice snowman pile. You want to jump off it?
No.
You want to try?
Huh?
Go ahead, try jumping off.
No.
Is that fun up there? Are you the king of the mountain? Stepping on the snowman. Go ahead, jump off. I'll catch you. Ready? Set. Go. I got him. We did it. Look up the camera. Look up here. Look. We did it. Yeah. How about? Boom. Okay, go run, run, run. Go, go, go fast. Go, go, go. There he goes. Look at him go. Touchdown. Touchdown.